Hello everyone, I hope you all fine there. So now in this video we will do some activity. So what is the activity here it is, I will show you 6 different types of questions. These 6 different types of questions has a main reason that these questions are somewhat we faced in our life as the experiences. Okay, so here you people try to answer these questions. You people try to give your own observations to enrich the list. So let's go to the first question. The first question in our list. So why the leaves fall from the tree when they turn into yellow? If you know the answer, why the leaves fall from the tree when they turn into yellow, you can comment in the comment section. Now, I will explain the reason why the leaves fall from the tree when they turn into yellow. This question can be answered by a single word. This question can be answered by a single word. It is chlorophyll breakdown. Okay, you know already what is meant by chlorophyll. Chlorophyll here it is we can call the chlorophyll as green pigment in the leaves. We can call the chlorophyll as green pigment. So why the chlorophyll called as a green pigment? Because it gives the plant green color. Okay. So what is the use of chlorophyll? It is used for food preparing process. So what is the answer of food preparing process? We can call the food preparing process photosynthesis. Okay. So what is meant by chlorophyll, what is the use of chlorophyll, and why the plants look green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. And here we find a new word that is called breakdown. So why here we use breakdown? So breakdown here it means decrease in content of chlorophyll. Decrease in content of chlorophyll. That means when the plant has a decreased content of chlorophyll, that the reason is called chlorophyll breakdown. So we can observe the plants in winter season. In winter season, or we can call it as fall. Okay, so in winter season we will see different types of changes. Changes in length of daylight and changes in temperature also. So what is the meaning of length of daylight? That means presence of the sunlight in the daytime as well as temperature. So we will feel somewhat cool in the time of winter. So by these two changes, the plant stop their photosynthesis process. Okay, due to the difference in the temperature and the difference in the timing of sunlight. By these two reasons, mostly by these two reasons, plant stops its photosynthesis process. Okay, so this leads to the decrease in content of chlorophyll. So that's the reason we call this reason as chlorophyll breakdown. I hope you all people understand. If you have any doubts regarding this question, please ask me in the comment box section. Let's go to the next question. So this is our next question, that how ants identify their sweets which are present in tin. Okay, so I think you all have get the idea because it is a familiar experience that we all faced, right? So when we take about ants, generally in your sixth class you have studied about different types of senses, okay, which are sense of vision, sense of smell, sense of hearing, sense of taste, and sense of touch. Okay, so which type of sense does ants have to find the sweets? Obviously, it is smell, right? So the ants use the sense smell to identify the sweets kept in a tin. Okay, here sweets. So when we observe the sweets, generally sweets or in which taste? Already in the name mentioned, they are sweet in taste. Due to the presence of what? Sugar. Okay, so sweets have sugar. So there are two types of sugars generally, beet sugar and cane sugar. So cane sugar, it is made up of sugar cane. So the sugar have slight odor, that is smell, slight odor. Okay, this slight odor, even we too attract to sweets because they have a pleasant slight odor. So we can easily attract to them because of their smell, right? So even ants to attract because of it. And next, ants find these sweets. They find these sweets by releasing a chemical. By releasing a chemical which is called as pheromone. Okay, this is a special chemical that ants release in finding a sweet. Okay, so by releasing this chemical, what is the use of it? So when an ant finds a sweet, automatically it will transform the signal. Okay, it will transfer the signal to the remaining ants by releasing the chemical called pheromone. In the way, for example, if it is a sweet, if this is an ant, okay, this is an ant. So it will find the sweet by releasing a chemical in its way. So that remaining ants also attract to this pheromone chemical so that they can also travel through this way. Okay, so that we can call that ants are traveling in a line-wise manner, in a disciplined manner. So that's why the use of pheromone chemical here is used for the ants to identify the sweets which are kept in any place easily. Okay, I hope this question is also understood by you. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, this is our third question. Why cannot we see stars during daytime? Yes, it is obviously true. Yeah, but here there is a reason for that. Okay, so in the night time, in the dark night time, okay, we will see the stars very clearly. Very clearly. Okay, but during the daytime, we cannot see the stars clearly due to the presence of sun. So due to the presence of sun, it is not only the reason, but there is another reason here that, for example, feel it as earth or imagine it as a earth. So here in the daytime, the earth is exposed to the sunlight. So the stars are also present in the sky. Okay, they didn't took any leave for that time. Okay, they are also present in the time, but here the light scattering capacity of our atmosphere, that means the surrounding atmosphere in our earth, so we can call it as atmosphere, right? The surrounding atmosphere in our earth have a capacity to scatter the light of the sun uniformly. I think you understood. Here, in dark time, due to the presence of the dark theme around the earth, so the stars are very visible to us, clearly visible to us. But in the daytime, the stars are not visible. Okay, so here there are two reasons. Due to the presence of sun, it is one reason, and next, the atmosphere has light scattering capacity. So what is meant by here light scattering capacity? So the atmosphere can transfer the light to every place uniformly. So here which light? Sunlight. Okay. So because of this reason, we cannot see the stars during daytime. Hope you all understand this video very clearly and these three questions also, and remaining three questions will be uploaded in the next video. See you all in the next video. Thank you everyone. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel AIM Biology Tutor. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.